Now it's time to put my rooftop tent back into the ceiling. And the good thing with Rivian air suspension and quick release crossbars, it should be easy to mount it back on my my hoist, homemade hoist I put in the ceiling, just bicycle hooks, 75-pound weight capacity, and those cam buckles. You could use ratchet straps, but cam buckles give you a lot more range. My little reminder to lower the truck, put it in conserve, the lowest setting. Then I could proceed. Now I gotta back it up to my pre-marked lines with tape. Like that. And then make sure to raise my suspension to the highest. Now you attach all your straps to the loop on the crossbars. These hooks aren't big enough to hook, so I have to make a knot. Tight. Now the problem is, to lift this up, you have to release this. And to do all four while lowering the car is pretty hard. So you always need somebody to help you to do this. Or what I've found I could use this Velcro strap and wrap it around this to apply pressure to keep the little hook released. Pulling it like that. Perfect. Make sure it's all the way up, because if it's slightly hooked, you lower this car, you could tear down your ceiling. And now we're ready to lower it. And that's how relatively easy it is to remove your rooftop tent. Now, I would just want to raise it up a few inches to clear the antenna, so I'm going to do that now. It's too heavy, so I gotta find another plan. That should cover it. So this is how it looks finally. Rose it up about 4 more inches, lifting up the tent. It's about 80 inches from the ground. That way I could easily clear this car and another car that I have. And just so it's not so close to the roof of the car, wrapped the extra loose ends around the hooks for added security. And that's it. So the quick releases plus the air suspension made removing and installing a rooftop tent after each trip a little bit more convenient.